What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful BMW 320i facelift, I believe. This looks damn cool, man, dude. I love how striking the front lights actually look. Now before we head down to the details of this car, let's take a walk around to show you guys how physically good looking this car actually is. Now the chrome linings match the blue. Love the rear as well. Fantastic layout, guys. Damn, amazing layout. So you got your brake lights that look stunning. You got 320i badging over there. Now we're gonna move from the front and we're gonna be going into the details of the car shortly later. Now let's start off with the front. So you got your amazing headlights that are looking like this. I love how it angles down like that. The sharp finish looks really cool, man, dude. Now you also get your amazing openings for the front bumper for air to flow through to cut out that way. You also get some air intake happening down here as well together with your sensor, so that is very nice indeed. You got a beautiful grille, which is a satin finish like of a front grille, BMW badging right on top, 360 camera for the front right here, number plate down here, amazing front hood that we have with those lines coming from the front on the left and also on the right, so it does look very sporty and nice. Now we're going to move to the side where we're going to check out the wheels. Check these out, guys. So amazing wheels design you have. Hankook tires. Tire size is 225/45 R18. Solid disc. Your calipers are at the front. BMW badging right there. Stunning. Love the wheels. The two-tone finish with some greyish and then you got some silver. Kind of cool, man, dude. So you got your side finish. Looks damn cool at the side right here. Goes all the way to the end. These linings I'm talking about. You got your side mirror, which also has this blue at the top. You got this matte kind of a black finish at the bottom. You got your your signal lights over there. Chrome light badging all over the car, so it does look very nice indeed. Door handles, you open up. Take a look at the inside. Let's pull that to the max. Okay, so you do get your door handles right here. You open and close. Ambient lighting is in blue, very nice touch. Window adjustments right here. Storage space for your cup goes there. Another storage space goes here. Speakers are located here. Amazing. BMW wording at the side here. You got your lights, your sort of like welcome lights happening down there, as you can see. Very nice indeed. Goes all the way actually. Now let's take a look at the inside. Amazing seat-like design. Hugs you really tight, I believe. Finishing is really cool. Love the additional storage space for your legs to go in. But let's take a seat on the inside to feel how it actually feels. Now I'm going to be rolling the seat actually forward to show you guys the comfortable sitting position for me, and then we're going to jump to the rear. So you got your other aircon adjustments here using this. Very nice touch. You also get, we're not going to do any of the installing right now, but let's go back home. So you got an amazing screen. Love how it goes from right to left, or left to center to the right. Ambient lighting is located right there. You got your air vent adjustments happening right here. Similar over there. Very cool. Hazard light adjustments and things like that happening over here. And beautiful touch for the center. Let's close that back. Press it again. Wireless charging for over there. Your type USB-C charging. You got your cup holders together with your 12 volt happening over there. Now on this side right here you have your touchpads. You can scroll left and right, you can go up and down. Media, you got your home, map, telephone navigation, back options. You got your drive, reverse happening over here. P for parking, start stop button. Handbrakes, you got your Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. So these are driving modes available together with the auto hold. So fantastic indeed. So down here, if you go to, you get your other compartment storage that we have right here as well. Some type C charging over here, and also, yeah, plenty of space to keep some stuff. Very nice indeed. Check out the steering wheel, man, dude. We'll get to this in a while more. Looks very sporty, man, dude. Even though it's a 320i. So seatbelt black. Before that, this is me sitting comfortably in the front passenger seats, right in the front. Very cool. Now let's jump to the rear doors. Before we get to the rear passengers, let's check out the wheels. 225 45 R18 inch. These are the wheels at the back, solid disc. You got the Hankook tires right here. You got this two-tone finish of a wheel. Love how the finishing actually looks, man, dude. Now check out the door. You got your ambient lighting right here, window adjustments up and down, these ones to open up the doors, cup holder together with your other storage that's happening down here. So amazing look like feeling. So let's jump on in, check out the space, fantastic. So let's go all the way in. You will notice center, you got your air vents, temperature adjustments, Type-C charging too. This is me sitting comfortably here. Check this out. Looks very nice indeed. Plenty of storage, legroom space. And then you got your seat belts also in black. Amazing seat-like feeling in the center. Let's open this up. You got your cup holders that go straight in right there. Close that back and let's push that back up. So let's move to the center and get comfortable. Looks like someone moved the driver's seat to back earlier, but yeah, lightings at the top right here. The finishing is in a bright finish, the lower part is a dark finish, so very nice touch. Let's move to the driver's side of things and let's see if I can get down comfortably. And now since I'm already out, let's check out the petrol tank. Located right there, very nice indeed. Let's close that back. So the rear of the car, love how these lights are coming out like as if it's some 3D thing that's happening right here. And when it's on, which later I'll show it to you, love how it looks. Number plate holder, 360 camera, BMW badging right there. The bumper looks decently nice. At the same time, you got your two exhaust tailpipes right there, left and right. Aggressive looking indeed. Love it. Also, take a look at the rear boot space of the car. Plenty of storage happening right here. As you can see, we can fold down the rear seats just to get a little bit more space of how the car actually looks like. Now let's push this down. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing storage space for the boot. Fantastic, and love how the space is. Warning triangle located right there. Close the rear boot. Very nicely done. Even though it's a 320i, but it looks very nice indeed. Open up the door handles. These are your main doors. Lock, unlock, opening up of the handles. For the inner part, memory seats right there. You also get your window adjustments, child lock for the window adjustments. You have your settings for the side mirrors. You got your boot opening right there, cup holder storage, another storage. And check out the lights. Very nice. Your welcome lights, kind of cool. Seat adjustments right there. You can lower the seat down as well. Very nice indeed. So check out the front. Now I'm going to be sitting right in comfortably. Again, someone must have moved the steering column too low. I'm going to put that back, and it's already back where it is. So amazing steering. Love how the flat bottom feeling is like. You got a paddle shift, negative shift down here, positive shift right there. Your wipers on this side, lights on that side. You got your lights also here as well, high beam and whatnot. Cruise control settings are over on this side right here. Very nice touch with your limit, speed limit and things like that. Distance between you and the front car also can be set. Over here will be your answering call, rejecting the call, volume up, volume down, voice command and other settings for you to toggle through for the screen. So very nice indeed. So again, center clean, opened up. Other stuff down here, very nice indeed. Love how the car looks like with all the details. Now let's turn on the main screen to show you guys. Love this finish, man, dude. Now we will toggle through with more and more details in the future regarding the screen, but in the meantime, check out this space. Beautiful sitting position and a beautiful feel when actually you're right here in the 320i. So love the mirrors. Amazing SOS call button right there. light adjustments all over the place happening. So very cool indeed. Now let's turn on the main lights at the front to show you guys. Oh, there we go. I think this is the one. Yeah. Now check out the front. Now these are the main daytime running lights that are currently on right now, and as you can see, it looks very sleek. I love how it just rolls down like that, you know. Very nice, right? So now let's jump to the rear to show you guys how the rear tail lights actually look like. So see what I mentioned, how that 3D feeling is like, how it's like coming out. Very nice, man. Love the feeling of the rear tail lights. Beautiful. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys the feeling of it. Press that and we are back. Turn indicators appear to be underneath the side mirror. Beautiful touch. You get your turn indicators on one side of the lights. The finishing looks superb for this car. Now let's go to the rear and find out what are we looking at for the backside right here. So you got your turn indicators located down here as well. So amazing touch for that. Check it out. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Now let's try and turn on the main headlights to see whether do they actually show up. Yes, and they do. So BMW LED wording right there. These are your main headlights turned on. So beautiful and aggressive indeed. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, I'm currently at Performance Motors, and you can check out this car and many more other cars that they have right here, including there. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.